students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have learned about the lesson snake and the mirror. Now today we will do the question answer of thinking about the text from page number 60. Now question number 1 is discuss in pairs and answer each questions below in a short paragraph. Here the question number 1 is the sound was a familiar one. What did the doctor hear? What did he think it was? How many times did he hear it? Find the places in the text when and why did the sound stop. Now the answer is the doctor heard the sound of rats. The sound was familiar one. He heard this sound 4 times. The phrases are again I heard that sound from above. Again came that noise from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube has fallen. The sounds stopped after the appearance of the snake. Question number 2. What 2 important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? Answer. The doctor took the following 2 important and earth-shaking decisions. First, he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. And second, he would always keep that attractive smile on his face. Question number 3. I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. A little later he says, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. What is the doctor's opinion about himself when he first smiles and second he smiles again? In what way do his thoughts change in between and why? Now the answer is the doctor thought that he had a good smile when he first smiled. But when he smiled a little later, he laughed at his destiny. His life was in danger. His thoughts got changed because of the snake. He was quite near to death. Second, this story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? Write short paragraphs on each of these to get your answers. Now, question 1 is the kind of person the doctor is, money or possessions? The kind of person he wants to be, appearance and ambition. So the first is, the doctor is a poor man. He does not have much money. His house has no electricity. It is a small rented room which has many rats. He has about 60 rupees in his suitcase along with some shirts and dhotis. He also possesses one solitary black coat. In second, he wants to be a handsome person, so he decides to shave daily and grow a thin mustache. He also wishes to accumulate wealth. Question 2. The person he wants to marry and the person he actually marries. So the first one is, he intends to marry a woman doctor who has plenty of money and a good medical practice. He wishes to have a fat wife so that she cannot run after him and catch him when he would make a mistake. And he actually marries, the person he actually marries is a thin, reedy person with the gift of a sprinter. Now question number 3, his thought when he looks into the mirror and his thought when the snake is coiled around his arm. Now the first one is, he thinks that he should look smart, so he decides to shave daily and retain his smile. He is happy and contented when he looks into the mirror. Second, when the snake coiled around his left arm above the elbow, he kept sitting there holding his breath. He became motionless. He was afraid of the snake. So students, here we complete our exercise of thinking about text. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it. This one is a very interesting story about the snake and the mirror.